So next, second type. So continuity of a functions in which signum function involved. Continuity of a functions. Second one. Continuity of a function in which signum functions involved. Signum function. So involved. Suppose given functions ಅಲ್ಲಿ signum functions involve ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So signum functions f of x is equal to signum function Sn g of x. This is signum functions, right? So the points of discontinuity of signum functions is already known 0, 1, minus 1. Okay. So because the signum functions graph is so like this. See signum functions graph, right? This is minus 1, plus 1, 0. As we move from left to right, the graph is continuous up to so 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ minus 1 ವರ್ಗು ನೋಡಿ minus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಬ್ರೇಕೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 0 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 0 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ negative real number the graph is exist, all positive real number the graph is exist, but 0 there is a breakage are there. Andre signum function is discontinuous only at x is equal to 0. Signum function is discontinuous only at 0 because is at 0 signum functions having breakage is there on the graph of the functions. Okay, so this is about signum functions continuity. Okay, so how many points of discontinuity of signum functions? Only 1 points of discontinuity of greatest integer, signum functions, that is x is equal to 0. Am I right? So suppose f of x is equal to signum function of g of x. Signum function of g of x. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? f of x is equal to signum function of x ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ f of x is equal to signum function of g of x. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? f of x is discontinuous, f of x is continuous ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? So f of x is equal to suppose signum function of x cube minus x. Signum function of x cube minus x. So f of x is equal to signum function of x cube minus x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? g of x ಎಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ g of x ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು g of x in 0 ಆದ್ರೆ so where g of x becomes 0, f of x is discontinuous. f of x is discontinuous. Suppose g of x cannot be 0, f of x is continuous ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ g of x ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x cube minus x is equal to 0. What are the roots of these cubic equations? So take x is common, x square minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and x square minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus or minus 1. Again x is equal to 0 comma minus 1 comma plus 1. Again, so x cube minus x is 0 when x is 0 minus 1 1. Again f of x is discontinuous. f of x is discontinuous when x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1. Again, so continuity of functions or continuity of functions in which signum function is involved. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? So f of x is discontinuous when g of x becomes 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so g of x ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ so equate g of x to 0. So calculate the roots. So what are the roots? Only 3 roots because it's a cubic equations. So 0 minus 1 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ signum functions of g of x, signum function of 0 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು g of x 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ x is equal to so 1 0 minus 1 ಅದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this is this function ಅಂದ್ರೆ signum function of x cube minus x is discontinuous where x is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ how many points of discontinuity of signum function of x cube minus x? There are 3 points of discontinuity. What are those? 0, minus 1, plus 1. Okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? So continuity of a functions in which signum functions involved. Am I right? So just ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು. So continuity of a functions in which signum functions involved. ಎರಡದು. So continuity of a functions in which so greatest integer functions involved. Either second one. So continuity of a functions in which so signum function involved. Okay na? So next type ನೋಡೋಣ.